Crypto market is going insane, pumping much bigger and greater than our expectations. If you watched any of my videos early this week and even last week, I told you all that we were going to have a massive week. And we can see ever since the start of the new year, cryptocurrencies have been pumping. This is the start of the new year right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just mark it for you right here. This is the start of the new year. Ever since the new year has started, guess what happens? A bull market begins, and guess what? I told you that bear markets only last 1 year. It's been literally every single bear market has lasted the same amount of time. 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. And then the market begins to immediately rebound. This is what is taking place. This is what is happening. The bull market is starting. The bear market is over. We're gonna be talking about cryptocurrencies. Where we are headed in the immediate short term have so much to talk about. So make sure you stick around in this short video until the very end. If we go over the crypto fear and greed index, what we can see is that fear had bottomed out. Fear had bottomed out. And guess what? Cryptocurrencies are beginning to enter into the phase for investor sentiment of greed. And this is when the bull markets start. This is when cryptocurrencies pump like crazy, and not only is the crypto market going up, but we are seeing also this stock market continuing to pump and go crazy. We are seeing the US dollar continuing to crash. These are great signs that we need to see and understand to show us that we potentially are about to enter into the biggest bull market cryptocurrencies have ever or will ever see. We are still at massive discounts. I mean, if we just take a look at Bitcoin here, which broke almost 22,000 yesterday, we go to the weekly time frame just to zoom out here, we can see, look at Bitcoin from its peak to our current level is still down 69%. So most other cryptocurrencies are 70, 80% still down, and we are every single bull market. Every single bull market not only surpasses the all-time high, but surpasses it massively. So even though cryptos have pumped up recently, I believe we are at still incredibly discounted prices, and at these levels we might not ever see them again. That's of course a potential fact. It might not be the case, but I mean, even look at this. Let me show you this. This is the Bitcoin chart here. This is the weekly time frame. This is a very bullish pattern, and guess what? We broke out of it. We got confirmation, and as soon as we break out of it, look at this massive move that's taking place now. Just to warn you and just to let you all understand that in the immediate short term, we have recently pumped up massively. We are seeing incredible gains for the crypto market this week. Every single day we've been pumping, so it is probably due. We are probably overdue at some point here soon to see some type of pullback or correction. And we really have to see how the crypto market is going to respond to the next pullback and correction, which this is a very bullish pattern here. We are forming a cup and handle pattern most likely, and then going to continue breaking out again. But it would not surprise me if we get a decent pullback, something like this before we continue heading up because people need to take profits. And the markets need to probably cool off for a little bit before we continue going up. And that's just the case in any bull market. So if we continue to break resistance levels over and over again, especially if Bitcoin can break 25,000, I'm going to be very, very confident that the bull market is about to get started in an insane way where we could potentially see all-time highs this year for cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana. All these coins, I believe, could potentially break all-time highs this year. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing and notifications on, and I will see you all later.